Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite tech savvy Okemutefole Ene. So guys, in today's video I want to quickly show you how you can add a loading effect to your WordPress website, okay, using maybe one or two plugins to achieve that. So you guys, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube will get to show it to more persons. Also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So guys, I'm just going to head over to my WordPress website and I'll show you how to add specific loading effect. Okay, so these loading effects are usually displayed when someone is trying to load your website or trying to access your website. They get to see a countdown that is telling them 10%, 20%, 30% before your website fully unveil itself to your viewers. Okay, that's what we call the loading effect. So let me quickly show you how to achieve that here in your WordPress dashboard. So remember that whatever effect or feature you want to see on your website, all you need is just a plugin to activate it. So I'm just going to head over to my plugins and then add new plugins, then search for loading effect plugin. Okay, so right here I'll just come here to search for loading effects. So there are quite a number of them. You just need to know the one you are going to be working with, okay, to achieve your desired result. So I search for loading effect and you get to see so many of them coming up. And then one of the things you need to check out for is the number of reviews, the last time it was updated, and also check for number of installations. Okay, so let's see if there is anyone that we can manage to use right here. So you see this one, page loading effect, and then this one is, and then you can see that this one has 10,000 active installations and it was updated last month and is also compatible with my WordPress version. Okay, so let's see if we get to see any other ones again. You see customizable WordPress gallery plugin. This one is different entirely. So let's say we're going to be working with this first one that we saw here, this particular one. So all I'm going to do is to just install and activate this plugin. Okay, so it's installed. I'm just going to activate it for me to start implementing it on my website. Okay, so once it has finished loading, you see right here, you get to see it under your settings, and then you see it on loading page, settings and loading page. So the next thing we want to do is to come here and say enable loading screen and then display a close screen button. Okay, so I wouldn't want this to display, so I'm just going to tick it off. Then I'm going to see display the loading screen on all my screens. Okay, so if you don't want to display on all screens, you can say you can decide the number of screens you don't want it to show on. So you can see display the loading screen always, and then you can still say you want to display once per page or you want to display always. It's your choice. And then if you want to display on a specific page on your website, which is the home page, you can also decide here. So right now I'm just going to say I want to display on all pages on my website, and then I want it to display on both desktop and mobile. Okay, not just on desktop. So right here I'm going to decide, you see select the loading screen, and you see logo screen, you see bar screen. So I'm just going to say logo screen. Okay, so right here you're going to see select the logo image or any other image. So you can either select your own image or you can apply any of these ones you're seeing here. So let's say for example I would love to use any one of them that are here. So I just click on it and I'll say apply transparency to background. Then just leave the other settings the way they are. Always make sure you scroll down to update your settings. Okay, so let's go and visit our website. Okay, let's see if this particular effect we've added is going to be active. So just take a look. The site is loading now. Okay, so you can see now is loading 50%, 75, and then 100. So that's how you add a loading effect to your website. So let's head back and see. So right now I'm just going to select another of these effects you're seeing here, so we can just try and see how it looks. So let's see how it is. Okay, so come back here and make sure you update. So head back to our website and review. So you can see it's loading now. So guys, if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video so that YouTube will get straight to more persons. Also click on notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you guys, bye.